Hi, my name is Dr. Sierra Danzy. I'm a general practitioner that's practicing in Draper, Utah. At my office, when you come here, if you have any anxiety or anxiousness affiliated with your dental treatment, our main focus is going to be removing the unknowns from your experience. We are the professionals. We should be able to explain your treatment to you in ways that you understand to remove that unknowing or kind of curiosity or anxiety that's associated with what's going on. I have no idea. So that's usually our priority here is to remove the unknowns and make sure that you understand what's going to happen. You understand what you should be doing if there's a problem, if you are uncomfortable, if we can help you in some way. We like to keep that channel of communication open and help you as much as we can, just with your overall experience and kind of your expectations. Nothing should come as a surprise. And we want to make sure that you are comfortable with telling us if you need something and that we can fulfill that need and try to keep you as comfortable as possible. The most common concerns that we hear from patients who have anxiousness with dentistry or they're nervous about the treatment is not understanding what is going on or not understanding what the treatment is or why they need it. Obviously, a lot of patients are very nervous about the injection and the numbing portion. So we have tools in place to try to make that as comfortable as possible. We also are expanding our technological parts of our practice because advancements in those areas have really shown to make patients feel a lot more comfortable. If you're nervous about the shot, then let's get rid of it. Let's figure out a solution so we don't have to do that. Let's make sure that you understand what we're doing for you today, why it is needed, why it's valuable. So a lot of it is based on education and getting to know our patients, what their anxieties are, what they're nervous about, and then let's find solutions together to fix those. Sedation options help make treatment easier or more manageable for patients because we offer a wide array of those different things. If you are just a little bit concerned, we have options for that. If you need to be fully asleep, not remember anything from the day, then we can provide that as well. We offer a whole variety of sedation for every patient, and we love to educate you on those so we can work together and find out which sedation is going to be more effective for you. Advanced technologies that we can offer in my office provide a more comfortable dental experience because a lot of times we're removing those old thoughts of how dental treatment used to be. You know, it's very aggressive, it's very rough, it hurts. So we're trying to remove a lot of those old ways of thinking about dental treatment by using the new technology that's available. It's very important that my staff and myself are very well trained on these technologies. So when we implement them, we're doing it effectively, and that translates to a much more comfortable experience for our patients. Our approach here at the Crown is different than other offices because we genuinely take time to get to know the patient. An anxious dental patient is very easy to come by, but we want to know with each individual patient what makes you anxious, how can we fix that for you, where did this anxiety come from, what solutions and technologies can we implement to make you feel better about it, so that now when you go in for dental treatment, you feel confident, you understand that it's benefiting you, and you're more comfortable and happy to come and do that because you're taking a step in a positive direction for your own oral health care. And we really want to make it so that is the focus of our patients is that they're excited to get this thing fixed, they're excited to take care of themselves, and that overshadows the scariness or the anxieties that are associated with the actual treatment itself. Unfortunately, you can't ignore dental care forever. You can try, but ultimately, the longer you ignore it, there's a likelihood that the more invasive that the treatment is going to be. Knowing that you can't avoid it altogether, we want to work with you to figure out how we can make it as comfortable as possible. Again, we want to educate you on the different varieties of things that are out there so that you know that you have choices and you can use those choices to make things more comfortable and more effective for yourself. A lot of times it's just really getting to know those patients and having a relationship with them so you can understand kind of what they're going through and work together to make it better for both our team as well as the patient.